My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello. My name is Mayor Martin and I'm the owner and the builder of the XpetPee, the PetPeePee system. I'm originally from Israel and I came to America in 1989 as a wildlife photographer. You can see my pictures in the end of the video. I came as a photographer, nothing related to PetPeePee. However, I realized that I cannot make a living by taking pictures. It's not like in Israel. So I started working as a carpet cleaner from the yellow truck, from the black truck, from Rainbow International. And I realized that everybody in those days cleaned the Oriental rug exactly with the same machine and equipment like wall-to-wall carpet. The scrubber, the enzyme, the deodorizer, the steam cleaning. And I felt this is not the right way to clean a high quality Oriental rug that's saturated with the dog or the cat's urine odor. So I decided to build myself a business that will be one of a kind in the world. One of a kind that's clean the Oriental rug, protect the Oriental rug from color run, from fuzziness, then the scrubbers cause to the fiber, and organic, natural, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This natural cleaning product is designed by Mother Nature. And I put it together here in the United States to work with the XpetPee machine. The machine that's cleaned the Oriental rug and vacuum all the cleaner from the bottom. So all the liquid, all the cleaner that is on the top of the rug go through the rug and fall down to the pan and go to the sewage. You can see right now what it's going to the sewage. After many times, like 4 hours, 6 hours of cleaning the rug, the tube have to be clear. I apply from the top a clear liquid, the cleaner, and I send to the sewage exactly the same color water. So I know I complete the cleaning process. So what make PetPeePee company different from the rest? I never touch the Oriental rug in the wet cleaning process. The cleaner from the Dead Sea move on the top of the rug from left to right, from right to left, to the middle, back and forth, and then through the rug, through the fiber, flush out all the urine crystal that's hiding in the middle of the rug, the area that nobody can reach, not even the enzyme, because it stay over there. And because I never use the scrubber, I guarantee the rug will look perfect upon delivery. You will see the rug is going to be shining. It's going to be nice, fluffy. Better than the day you bought the rug. I guarantee it. PetPeePee. I made a cleaning process that is different from the rest. And when the tube is clear, I know I complete the cleaning process. The rug is ready to be folded and sent back to the customer. What do I ask the customers upon delivery? Put your nose on the rug, whatever you want. Guarantee no trace of urine odor. Come with me to the warehouse and listen how the vacuum extracts all the pee-pee through the rug.